Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily depot your eyeshadows and other de-pottable makeup using a non-heat method. This will allow you to create your own customized makeup palette. First thing you'll need to depot your makeup product using a no-heat method is rubbing alcohol. The rubbing alcohol melts and dissolves away the glue holding the makeup product to its packaging. You'll need a medicine dropper for precision when using the rubbing alcohol. To pry the eyeshadow from its packaging, you'll either need a sharp tip knife or a round tip butter knife, whatever you're more comfortable using. And of course, you'll need an eyeshadow that needs to be depotted. And lastly, you'll need an empty makeup palette. Mine has a magnetic bottom to secure the metal eyeshadow pans to the palette. The main reason I depot my eyeshadows and other de-pottable makeup products is to create my own personalized palette filled with my current favorite makeup products. Palettes make traveling with your favorite makeup easier, and it takes up less space in your cosmetics bag. You can start out by pouring some of the rubbing alcohol into the cap of the bottle. Take your medicine dropper and suck up some of the rubbing alcohol into the dropper. Deposit the alcohol along the sides of the eyeshadow pan in the packaging. The rubbing alcohol will seep below the eyeshadow pan where the glue is and start to dissolve the glue. Once you're finished depositing the rubbing alcohol, you'll want to wait about 30 seconds or more to allow the alcohol enough time to dissolve the glue completely. If you want, you can move the eyeshadow back and forth to help the alcohol dissolve the glue faster. The rubbing alcohol does not affect the color of the eyeshadow. It doesn't tamper with it in any way. It'll still have the same color payoff and pigmentation as it had before, so there's nothing to worry about. Once it is dried, you'll take your prying tool, and I've decided to use the sharp tip knife. You'll want to find a space where the eyeshadow pan naturally separates from its packaging. Stick your knife into the space and gently slide it all the way until it hits the bottom of the packaging, and start to wiggle the knife back and forth to help leverage the glue and peel it off from the packaging. Holding the eyeshadow for leverage, start to wiggle and pry upwards the eyeshadow pan. Take this step really slow. If you go too fast, you could crack the eyeshadow in the process. So this is very important to go slow and take your time. Continue to carefully pry and wiggle around the knife until you feel the glue start to give. Once you have successfully removed the eyeshadow from the packaging, slide your knife under and lift the eyeshadow up. As you can see, the dissolved glue in the packaging, and there probably will be some glue residue on the back of the eyeshadow pan. You can take a paper towel, dip it in your rubbing alcohol, and rub the back of the eyeshadow pan where the glue is until the glue completely dissolves. And you're done! You can stick your newly depotted eyeshadow into your palette. Now you have the ability to create your own customized makeup palette.